Parker Races. This up in pit area, spectator area. A lot of teams up here camping. The races started about 3 hours ago, and they're just starting to come around on their second lap. A lot of people out here. This got the Bigfoot set up here. Haven't pulled out the ATV. Didn't plan on doing any riding. This is all restricted area now with the races. After the races are over. And we're going down to the little, where the race course is here. We're going to go by. Bigfoot. I got my panoramic window here I'm watching from. Out of the wind, out of the dust. What happens is they're all staged, so you get a buggy coming by, and you wait a little while, and another buggy come by, and wait a little while, maybe two buggies come by. That's the races out here. Waiting for the next one. Beautiful day out here, isn't it? It is a little windy. A lot of spectators. The flags flying over there. You can see how windy it is. We're having a pretty good time. Don't see any dust coming, so I want to just say adios.